If you're a Mac user and not optimizing your workflow with the right apps, you're leaving a massive amount of productivity on the table. Over the years, I've tested and refined my workflow with apps that save time, reduce distractions, and make work effortless. Today I'm sharing 20 must-have Mac apps that will completely change how you work. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or creative, these apps will help you work smarter, not harder. And trust me, you'll want to stay till the end because the final app on this list is something most people overlook. Yet it has the power to times your efficiency by 10 overnight. Let's dive in. App 1. Alfred, the ultimate Spotlight replacement. Spotlight search is decent, but Alfred takes it to another level. This app is essentially a productivity Swiss Army knife, letting you find files, launch apps, search the web, and even automate tasks, all with a few keystrokes. Instead of clicking through folders, you can simply type a command and let Alfred do the work for you. But here's the real game changer: workflows. With Alfred's workflow system, you can automate repetitive tasks, create shortcuts for complex actions, and even integrate with other apps seamlessly. For example, I have a workflow that opens Notion, Slack, and Spotify with a single command whenever I start my workday. Another workflow instantly searches YouTube for trending topics for my videos. The amount of time saved is ridiculous. Best feature? The ability to create custom workflows. This turns Alfred into an automation powerhouse. App 2. Raycast. A worthy Alfred alternative. If Alfred is the king of Mac productivity, Raycast is the modern contender. It does everything Alfred does, but with a cleaner interface and deeper app integrations. The design feels faster, smoother, and more intuitive, making it a great option if you're new to productivity launches. One of the things that makes Raycast stand out is its native integrations with apps like Notion, Todoist, and Slack. You can create and manage tasks, send messages, and even control your calendar, all without switching windows. Another killer feature is Raycast AI, which lets you use AI-powered search and automation right inside the app. Its best feature, I think, is the deep integrations with third-party apps, allowing you to interact with your favorite tools directly from Raycast. App 3. Notion, the all-in-one productivity hub. If you're not using Notion yet, you're missing out on one of the most powerful productivity tools available. Notion is more than just a note-taking app, it's a second brain where you can organize everything from daily tasks to complex projects. I use Notion for video planning, content calendars, goal tracking, and even journaling. The beauty of Notion is its endless customization. You can create templates for anything, build databases, and even connect different pages together to create a highly efficient workspace. If you're someone who juggles multiple projects, Notion can streamline your entire workflow and keep everything in one place. Best feature, I think, is the databases and linked pages, which allow you to create a fully connected productivity system. App 4. Obsidian, a more private alternative to Notion. If you love Notion but want something more private and focused, Obsidian is the perfect alternative. Unlike Notion, which relies on cloud storage, Obsidian stores all your notes locally, meaning you have full control over your data. What makes Obsidian truly special is its knowledge graph feature. This creates a visual map of how your notes and ideas are connected, making it incredibly useful for researchers, writers, and deep thinkers. It helps you see relationships between different concepts and organize your knowledge like never before. Again, the best feature of this app, I think, is the backlinking system, which allows you to see and navigate through the relationships between your notes in a visual way. App 5. Things 3, the most aesthetic to-do list app. Managing tasks shouldn't be complicated, and Things 3 nails the perfect balance between simplicity and power. It's hands down the most aesthetically pleasing to-do list app I've ever used, with an interface that feels clean, minimalistic, and distraction-free. Unlike other task managers that overwhelm you with features, Things 3 keeps it simple but effective. You can quickly add tasks, set deadlines, and organize projects into different areas of your life. Plus, the today and upcoming views help you focus on what's most important without feeling overloaded. Its best feature for me is its beautifully designed interface, which makes managing tasks feel effortless and stress-free. App 6. Todoist, a cross-platform alternative. If you need something more collaborative and available on every platform, Todoist is the answer. This app syncs seamlessly across Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, and even web browsers, so your tasks are always with you no matter where you are. The best part? Natural language input. Instead of manually setting due dates, you can type things like meeting with team at 3 PM tomorrow, and Todoist will automatically create the task with the correct date and reminder. It also integrates with apps like Slack, Gmail, and Google Calendar, making it perfect for team collaboration and work projects. Best feature? For me, I'd say it's the natural language input, which makes adding and managing tasks fast and intuitive. App 7. Magnet. Instantly organize your windows. Ever feel overwhelmed by too many open windows? Magnet lets you snap them into place instantly, making multitasking seamless. Whether you're comparing documents, coding, or writing while researching, Magnet makes it easy to arrange everything efficiently. Best feature? Customizable keyboard shortcut, so you can snap windows into place instantly with just a keystroke. App 8. Rectangle. A free alternative to Magnet. Magnet is great, but Rectangle offers the same functionality for free. Now, the UI isn't quite as polished, but it does get the job done. Its best feature is the fact that it is completely free with no major limitations, making it a great option for budget-conscious users. App 9. Slightly controversial now with Apple's new passwords app, but 1Password for me is still the best password manager. Security and productivity go hand in hand. If you're still manually typing passwords, you're wasting valuable time. 1Password stores all your passwords, credit cards, debit cards, and secure notes, so you only need to remember one master password. For me, the best feature of this app is the autofill functionality, which lets you log into websites and apps instantly without needing to remember or type anything. App 10. Bartender. Take control of your menu bar. If your Mac's menu is cluttered, Bartender lets you hide, rearrange, and organize your icons however you like. This is especially useful for MacBooks with limited screen space. Best feature? For me, it's the auto hide functionality, which keeps your menu clean and minimalistic. Stay tuned, because in the next section, we're diving into even more powerful Mac apps, including one that can literally automate your entire workflow. Want the rest of this extended breakdown? Like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with the Mac app you can't live without. App 11. Better Touch Tool. Unlock advanced trackpad gestures. Your Mac's trackpad is already one of the best in the industry, but what if I told you it could be even better? Better Touch Tool takes trackpad gestures to the next level, allowing you to create completely custom gestures that can trigger almost any action on your Mac. I personally have a 3-finger swipe up to instantly open Notion, a 4-finger tap to minimize all windows, and even a corner tap that takes a screenshot and saves it to a specific folder. It even lets you customize your keyboard shortcuts, mouse actions, and even touch bar commands if you have a MacBook Pro with a touch bar. Best feature for me is the custom gestures and shortcuts that make navigating your Mac effortless, turning hours of repetitive actions into simple swipes and taps. App 12. Focus, the best app for deep work. Ever sit down to get some serious work done only to find yourself checking Twitter or X, YouTube, or Reddit within minutes? Yeah, me too. That's where Focus comes in. Focus is a distraction blocking app that helps you stay in the zone by blocking websites and apps that kill your productivity. You can set timers, schedule focus sessions, and even use a Pomodoro style system to work in bursts of deep focus. I use this app whenever I need to write scripts, edit videos, or do research. Instead of relying on willpower, I just turn on Focus, and suddenly all the distractions disappear. It even shows motivational quotes when you try to access a blocked website, which is a nice touch. Best feature for me is the ability to schedule focus sessions automatically, so you don't have to remember to turn it on. It just activates when it's time to work. App 13. Crisp. Noise cancellation for calls. If you work remotely or take a lot of calls, Crisp is a must-have. It's an AI-powered noise cancellation app that removes background noise from your microphone in real time. No more keyboard clatter, barking dogs, or construction noise in the background. Just clear, professional-sounding audio. I've used Crisp in noisy coffee shops, busy co-working spaces, and even on the go, and it works like magic. It also removes background noise from the people you're talking to. So if your boss or client has a terrible mic, Crisp will clean it up for you. The best feature for me is the AI-powered noise removal that works in real time, making every call sound crystal clear, no matter where you are. App 14. Clean My Mac, the ultimate Mac maintenance tool. Over time, your Mac accumulates junk files, outdated caches, and unnecessary background processes that slow it down. Clean My Mac X helps you clear all of that with a single click, keeping your Mac running as fast as the day you bought it. This app does a deep scan of your system, finding large unused files, hidden junk, and even malware. It also has a RAM cleaner that can free up memory instantly, which is super useful if you run a lot of apps at once. I make it a habit to run Clean My macOS once a week, and the difference is noticeable, especially if you work with large files like videos or design projects. The best feature for me is the Smart Scan tool, which automatically detects and removes junk, freeing up valuable storage space with zero effort. At 15, Dropbox. Cloud storage done right. iCloud is great, and I do use it, but Dropbox is still, for me, the king when it comes to fast and reliable cloud storage. Whether you need to collaborate on files, access documents from any device, or back up important work, Dropbox makes it effortless. One thing I love about Dropbox is how smooth the syncing is. You can drop a file into your Dropbox folder, and within seconds it's accessible on all your devices. Plus, it has great version history, meaning if you accidentally overwrite an important file, you can restore an older version with a single click. And for me, the best feature is definitely the Smart Sync, which lets you access cloud files without taking up space on your hard drive, keeping your Mac storage clean and efficient. At 16, Grammarly. Write with confidence. If you write anything, emails, essays, blog posts, YouTube scripts, Grammarly is a lifesaver. It proofreads your writing in real time, catching grammar mistakes, awkward phrasing, and even improving sentence structure. I use Grammarly for everything, from writing emails to polishing video descriptions. It also has a built-in tone detector, which helps you ensure that your writing matches the mood you want to convey. If you're writing something professional, it suggests more formal wording. If you're writing something casual, it helps you keep it engaging and conversational. And for me, the best feature is the AI-powered suggestions that go beyond grammar, helping you sound more professional and polished. App 17. Amphetamine. Keep your Mac awake. Have you ever been in the middle of a long download, render, or presentation, only for your Mac to go to sleep at the worst possible moment? Amphetamine solves that problem. This simple yet powerful app lets you keep your Mac awake indefinitely or for a set period of time. I use it when I'm uploading large videos, running long processes, or giving presentations where I don't want my Mac to dim the screen. Best feature, session-based wake settings, which allows you to keep your Mac awake for a specific amount of time without changing your overall sleep settings. App 18, PDF Expert, the best PDF editor. If you work with PDFs a lot, PDF Expert is hands down the best PDF editor on Mac. Unlike Preview, which is limited, PDF Expert lets you annotate, edit, sign, and even rearrange pages in a document with ease. One of the standout features is the ability to edit text within a PDF, as if it were a Word document. You can change fonts, colors, and even move paragraphs around. It also has seamless integration with iCloud and Dropbox, so your documents sync across all devices effortlessly. The best feature for me is the text editing tool, which allows you to modify PDF text as easily as if you were in Microsoft Word. App 19. Keyboard Maestro, the ultimate Mac automation tool. This app is for serious productivity nerds like me. If you do the same repetitive tasks every day, Keyboard Maestro can automate them, from opening a specific set of apps in the morning to resizing windows, filling out forms, and even automating entire workflows. For example, I have a Keyboard Maestro macro that automatically opens my video editing software, loads my latest project, and sets up my workspace exactly how I like it. That's minutes of setup time saved every single day. The ability to record custom macros so you can automate complex tasks with zero coding required is hands down my favorite feature of this app. Last but not least, App 20. This app is the one that will change everything. Hazel. If you've never heard of it, this app is like having a personal assistant for your Mac, automating tedious file management tasks so you never have to waste time organizing files manually again. Here's how it works. Hazel monitors specific folders and automatically applies rules based on conditions you set. For example, you can tell Hazel to move downloaded PDFs into a specific documents folder, rename invoices based on the date they were created, delete duplicate files automatically, sort images into folders based on resolution or file type. It's incredibly powerful because you can set custom rules that work in the background without you lifting a finger. I personally use Hazel to keep downloads folder organized. Any screenshots I take automatically move into a screenshots folder. All invoices get sent to my finance folder, and unused files older than 30 days are moved to trash. It's like having a personal assistant tidying up your Mac 24/7. For me, the best feature of this app is the ability to create the custom rules that automate file organization. Genuinely saves me hours of manual sorting every week. And if you hate digital clutter, Hazel is the ultimate productivity booster, and once you set it up, it works completely hands-free. Well, that wraps up the top 20 Mac apps for productivity. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more game-changing Mac tips. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to Mac app that you can't live without? Drop it in the comments below, and let's build the ultimate Mac productivity toolkit together. See you in the next one.